Hi guys, here 8 square is 64 plus 32 divided by 4 times 3. Here 64 plus 32 is 96 divided by 4 times 3. Here this is 24 times 3. Now this is 24 times 3 is 72 is the wrong answer. As per the order of operation, the 72 is the wrong answer. Here we are going to introduce that PEMDAS rule from order of operation. This is a bracket. This is exponent. Here M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Here multiplication divisions are equal priority. Also this addition subtractions are equal priority. For this equal priority, we are going to introduce another rule called left to right in the problem. Now we are going to solve this problem in correct way by using this order of operations PEMDAS. Here, as per the PEMDAS, this exponent is higher priority now. So, 8 square is 64 plus 32 divided by 4 times 3. Here we have addition, division and multiplication. Here, division and multiplication is higher priority than this addition. So, we have to do this. Here, division and multiplications are equal priority. For this, we are going to follow here left to right rule. Left to right is this. So 64 plus this is 8 times 3. We have addition and multiplication. Multiplication is again higher priority than this addition. So we have to do this 8 times 3. So 24 plus this 64. Now 64 plus 24 is 88.